What is going on, y'all? This is Nate from NateInYoState. We're here for a short time, not for a long time. I'm gonna review this stun gun over here. As you can see, it looks like a cell phone, but this is actually a taser. I couldn't get this delivered to me in New York, so I had to come all the way out of New York to get this delivered. And to be honest, I thought you could only find these things into gun states, but apparently you can get it into liberal states here in the West Coast. Although free phone is not a working cell phone, any bad guy who gets too close will get the message that you will not be a victim. So as you can see where the electricity comes out at the front. It feels very light. It looks like a standard iPhone. I guess this is where you charge it. And the on and off switch is at the bottom. I'm gonna click that on. Okay, you already know that this thing is ready when you see the red light. Alrighty. Whoa. There you go, that goes the electricity right there. By pressing this button, you can get the shot going on. And these buttons are actually pretty cool. This one is the flashlight. You can see the light over there, flashlight, and then the alarm as well. So you flick this to the center. The center activates both the light and the alarm. This flashlight. There you go. You got yourself a nice little flashlight over there. And then the alarm. Not so bad. I think the personal alarm is better. It's nice and loud, and then you flick this all the way out to the right to activate the taser. All right, so now, what do I think about this? I think this is a decent self-defense tool. It looks like a cell phone, so it's easily concealed. Nobody's gonna know what's going on, right? No one's gonna suspect a thing if they try to pull up on you. But what else do I think about this? Let's say if you go to some place like Colombia. I think this will actually be a hindrance if you take this with you to Colombia. Why do you think that, Nate? Well, we know that most thieves, when it comes to petty theft, they like to go after the cell phone. So if you have this on your ear, pretending it to be a cell phone, you are actually inviting guests to come and try to attack you. So this will probably be good if you're going throughout state to state in the United States or someplace where phone theft isn't very common. But if you was to take this to Colombia, I wouldn't recommend that. I mean, you're drawing more attention to yourself than you actually need. So you'll end up using this more than you actually need to. But my recommendation at all costs, try to conceal yourself. Try to make yourself look as low-key as possible. Granted, this is a concealed taser. You know what I'm saying? Illegal on airplanes, flights, or whatever have you. You're gonna have to look at the laws wherever it is that you are in the United States to have this delivered to you, because I couldn't get this delivered to me, so I had to go to a different state and have this delivered to a different location in the United States for me to actually pick this up. So once again, I think it's pretty okay for it looking like a phone and being a self-defense tool. I think it's pretty legit, pretty solid. Just if you was gonna go to Colombia, where you know that phone theft is high, this will actually be a liability, and I don't recommend that. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go to my website to check out all the information that I have for you. So if you're interested in picking up something like this for yourself, I'm going to leave the link down below for you to check it out yourself. And then remember, it depends on the state you're at. So you're going to have to check to see any type of delivery laws with that. But I'm going to leave the information down below for you guys to check it out. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to look at the other self-defense items that will be good for travel, check out this next video over here.